These two documents look nearly alike, but they are experienced very differently by screen reader users. One has tagged headings. The other visually indicates headings using formatting like font size and bold. Tagged heading structure can help screen reader users navigate to find what they need. Screen readers don't recognize formatting like bold or font size, so tagged headings are the only way to navigate right to the section you need. Let's use a screen reader to help us understand the difference. Imagine a student reopening this syllabus to find the required text section.
Accessible syllabus.docs. All lower ribbon, top leaving menus, accessible syllabus.docs, K, X.edit 460, subject dash specific methods 1 for middle and secondary teachers button. Instructor information, course date and time button, course description button, course objectives button, guiding questions button, required text button, enter, accessible syllabus.docs. Muhammad G. Left parent 2020 right parent. Cultivating genius: an equity framework for culturally and historically responsive literacy.
Tagged headings automatically create a clear document outline that benefits everyone, especially students with low vision, dyslexia, or ADHD. Compare this to finding the same information in a document that does not have a tagged heading structure.
Syllabus. X.edit 460, subject dash specific methods 1 for middle and secondary teachers. 2 credits, fall 2024. Instructor information. Name: Erica Foley. Email: link, foley@foliac.edu. Office hours: 4:30-5 p.m. on Thursdays or by appointment on Zoom. Blank. Course date and time. Course days/times: Thursday evenings, 5:00-8 p.m. Location: link, Zoom link. Blank. Course description. Edit 460 is the first part of the 2-part series with Edit 462, and is first part of the course. One goal for our time together is to build your knowledge of lesson, planning and unit design through an exploration of education practices and backward planning principles. You will put your knowledge to work by practicing. Listen, plan based on teacher and your feedback. The other goal of the course is to build your sense of focus and your ability to learn. Students will examine their knowledge of lesson management and build your knowledge of knowledge of further strategies in your own classroom. This course is designed for education students where teachers will report knowledge of learning to teachers required texts. Muhammad G. Left parent 2020 right parent. Cultivating genius: an equity framework for culturally historically responsive literacy.
Visually, someone could scroll down to that section, but for a screen reader, it cannot determine what is a heading, so it has to read every word to find the required text section. Clear structure reduces searching, rereading, and unnecessary frustration, allowing students to focus on learning instead of navigation. The good news is, this takes very little extra effort and can even save you time on formatting. All document editors and web pages have built-in heading styles, though the menu may look different. Look for a drop-down menu or use keystroke shortcuts. Use heading 1 for the main title, use heading 2 for major sections, and headings 3 and beyond for subsections. Find more information about heading structure and other key accessibility practices in our full course, AccessibleU, Digital Accessibility for Instructors, at umass.edu/ideas.